Yeah, once again, this God's again with another video. Very simple. Today I will show you another trick to speed up your work, the workflow. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to join this team. Okay, subscribe, leave a comment in the description down, like this video, give it a like. Very simple. With this kick, okay, a hi-hat, a conga, then a samba, okay, then cajon, then a rim. So this is how they sound together. Very simple. So if you have made a beat with this element or samples here and you want to save time for the next beat that you make, you really like these samples, what you have to do is to load FPC. Okay, so when we load FPC, by default FPC has this samples here or element already loaded. So we are going to create our own drum pad. Okay, we will go here, empty. Okay, we are going to empty this drum pad and we will get this. Okay, so if you want to save time for the next project that you do, what you have to do is to go to this recent files here, which will show us the recent element or percussions, kick, whatever that we just used. So we can just drag them over here. Okay, the recent files that you have used. Okay, very simple. You can even combine two samples. Okay, very simple. Okay, so if you combine like that, very simple, you can combine, then you can delete. Okay, if you want to delete, you just go here. Okay, delete, you select, you delete. Okay, very simple. So after you making the beat and you really like your sample, just save time, open FPC, drag them over here. Okay, so after loading everything, we just go to this plugin option here, then we'll go to save preset as. Okay, you can give it a name, workflow. Okay, then you just save it. So the next time you want to make a beat, let's go to new, empty. Okay, we will just load FPC, then we will go to preset. Okay, so this is our preset workflow over here. We just load them, very simple. Okay, yes, so after loading FPC, you can go straight to the piano roll, then make a new beat with those samples or percussion. Very simple. Okay, so guys, this is the workflow tips that I have for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. It's God's on the beat. Still, I'll be the solution carrier. See you in the next video.